10 HD 189733b. In 2005, astronomers discovered a Jupiter-sized exoplanet, HD 189733b, with a distinctive Earth-like blue tint 63 light-years away. However, unlike Earth, HD 189733b was not blue because of its seas and oceans. Instead, the color came from its silicate-rich clouds. HD 189733b is also deadly. The first problem is the 8,700 km/h (5,400 miles per hour) winds that blow across the exoplanet. That is 7 times the speed of sound, which is insanely fast. For comparison, peak sustained winds of the notorious Hurricane Katrina blew at 280 km/h. 9. Corot 7b. In February 2009, astronomers operating the Convection, Rotation and Planetary Transits (COROT) satellite discovered a new exoplanet in the Monoceros constellation 480 light-years away from Earth. They called it Corot 7b. Corot 7b is a rocky, Earth-like exoplanet even though it used to be a Saturn-sized hot Jupiter, a term used to describe the huge, gas-filled planets outside our own solar system with tight orbits around their stars. Despite having a rocky surface that could support life, Corot 7b is not the place to be. 8. Kelt 9b. Exoplanet Kelt 9b is the hottest planet we have ever found. The temperature of its star is around 9,700 degrees Celsius (17,500 degrees Fahrenheit), which is almost 2 times the 5,480 degrees Celsius (9,900 degrees Fahrenheit) surface temperature of our Sun. The daytime temperature on the exoplanet hovers around 4,300 degrees Celsius (7,800 degrees Fahrenheit), which is still insanely hot. Most stars in the universe do not even come close. As you read this, Kelt 9b is so hot that its hydrogen-rich atmosphere is boiling and escaping into space and right into star Kelt 9, around which the exoplanet rotates. Star Kelt 9 is huge, reaching 3 times the size of our Sun. Exoplanet Kelt 9b is 2 times the size of Jupiter and 3 times heavier. 7. WASP 121b. WASP 121b is one weird exoplanet. To begin, it is not spherical but looks more like a football. We mean American football and not the more popular one that Americans call soccer. But the shape is not what makes WASP 121b deadly. Instead, the problem is the exoplanet's nearness to its star. WASP 121b is so close to its star that temperatures hover around 2,540 degrees Celsius (4,600 degrees Fahrenheit). Solid or liquid objects cannot form there, and everything just remains in a gaseous state. This includes its metallic atmosphere, which is filled with iron and magnesium gases. Worse, the exoplanet is losing this atmosphere to its star, just like Kelt 9b. 6. Upsilon Andromedae b. Upsilon Andromedae b is one strange exoplanet that rotates around the star Upsilon Andromedae A, which is 44 light-years away from Earth. The exoplanet is too close to its Sun, completing an orbit in just 4.6 days. As you may have guessed, this suggests that it is tidally locked, with one side permanently facing the Sun and one unbelievably hot. Interestingly, the hottest area, the warm spot, does not face the star. Instead, it is on the side that never receives sunlight. This discovery puzzled astronomers because the side facing the star should be hotter. Astronomers believe that things are a bit different here because the wind transfers the heated air to the opposite side of the exoplanet. 5. OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB. OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB is a rocky exoplanet with a very thin atmosphere located right in the middle of our own Milky Way. All 3 factors made astronomers suspect that it could contain life when it was discovered. However, they now believe that it does not due to the exoplanet's super low temperature. 6. The surface temperature on OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB is around -220 degrees Celsius (-364 degrees Fahrenheit), which is too low to support life as we know it. For comparison, by some accounts, the lowest temperature ever recorded here on Earth is -97.8 degrees Celsius (-144 degrees Fahrenheit). The temperature was recorded in an area of ice-cold Antarctica that has never seen sunlight. An attempt to breathe in that area will destroy our lungs and cause instant death.